Shawty, I love you, yeah. Ooh, ooh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, you know you.
What's up, y'all? It's the Real Goddess, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going from curly to straight, and this is the slow-mo of my curly look, the items I use, and y'all, you know I had to get some more combs, because in the last videos, my combs looking a hot mess. But now, I got 2 combs with it, but nah. Don't forget to follow me. This is how I straighten my hair from top to bottom. I know anybody that's straightening their hair like to get really close around the edges. Alright, it's the end of the video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Just want you to know